Hey there, I'm Nev, I'm a dev, and today I want to reflect on 1 year of YouTube because it's been roughly 1 year since I've uploaded my first video on my channel. And yeah, what I gotta say, it has been a very cool year. And first of all, I want to thank you guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is like very, very fucking insane. And I am so happy that we almost reached that milestone. Probably when this video is out, we've probably already reached that milestone, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, it's been a wild year since I've started my YouTube channel, and I have uploaded many videos. I think I've uploaded about 40 videos or almost 50 videos, and yeah, I've made almost 1,000 subscribers, which I'm unbelievably thankful for. I mean, that's just crazy. I didn't really make this YouTube channel to like have crazy growth. Of course, that was also a bit of a thought of me creating this channel, but mostly I just wanted to have fun and like share my knowledge, share some thoughts on things, and just also become a better developer and just to also document my things, the things that I do. So yeah, that was basically my motivation to start this YouTube channel. This video is a bit all over the place, by the way, so yeah, there will be some jumps from subject to subject, so don't be confused too much. I know Web Dev Cody did a video in similar fashion, but I actually wanted to plan this video like 1 or 2 weeks ago, and then this video wasn't out there. Yeah, let's go ahead and like quickly look a bit at my YouTube statistics. So my latest video didn't do very great. It was a Tailwind V4 video, and as you can see, we have only 8 out of 10. So what this metric means is out of the last 10 videos that we published, how good is it performing in a time span? And in this case, it's first 4 days and 20 hours. And for example, the tech stack video that I published made way better than, for example, yeah, this video or what will happen in 2025. And that is completely normal. Like, the goal, of course, is to post 1 out of 10 videos all of the time, but sometimes you just can't, and that's okay. That's not too bad. Just don't be like demotivated, but keep on and upload the next video, and maybe it will be a 1 out of 10. So that's yeah, that's this. Yeah, my content, I'm very happy how my content performs. My most viewed video is about the svelte tips, which is very cool. This one is also a very nice video that I really like, but it is a bit of a more opinion video, which I see why it was clicked so much, because it's an opinion, and it's an opinion that is maybe very interesting and a question that probably many viewers had. Lucia is also logical why this video exploded, because Lucia was, I think, kind of in the hype back then. And I think this is also just a very interesting video to ask Astra versus Falcon in 2024. So I think if you want to go ahead and like upload your videos, just choose a subject that is like very interesting. And I mean, yeah, it can be interesting always. Like, sometimes you just gotta talk about things you really enjoy and you really like. But oftentimes, yeah, just go ahead and do this. Yeah, let's check out a bit of my analytics. In the last 30 days or in the last 28 days, I've seen some growth, like more than usual, because I have been uploading again. And again, I'm gonna say it, my goal for 2025 is to upload every Sunday. Minimum. I of course plan to upload more than just on Sunday, but yeah, I just want to upload every week for this year. And if we go to 2024, we can actually see, okay, well, it was kind of okay. No, I don't want to review that. I just want to review that. So as you can see, I uploaded like much in the first time of, or not in the first time, but like in the first time span of my YouTube channel. And really, 3 videos, 2, 3, 4, 2, then one video. This was like a time where I didn't really upload much because I think I just had much to do in school and drawing and all of that stuff. Then was summer where I did more again, but like this was really crazy. And I think you can also see this on my GitHub. So if you go ahead into my contributions, into my contribution history, and we click 2024, I mean, this is 2020, this is September to October roughly, and this is also like September, October. I don't know why I didn't publish then. Like I also didn't code then, and I didn't upload any YouTube videos, which was a bit of a shame, but like now I've gone ahead and upload again, like here 3 videos and here 3. I mean, this is not really yeah, it is representative, but these videos didn't do great. These did okay. But these didn't do great. And I think partially I don't know, just a few things happened. I guess I was also ill at some point. I think somewhere around here I was just ill, and then I was in Rome, and yeah, you can see there have been some things that didn't go very well, but I think that's okay, and I think that's really one of the parts of being in a creative job, and also being in a job where you have to code, for example. You can't just always output and output and output. Sometimes it's a bit difficult, in my opinion, to do something all of the time, and especially for me, then in this time, it was I had many things to do in my new class because I had new teachers, I had new people to get to know. So yeah, it's just sometimes you can't upload always. And there's a good example of that with Josh Tried Coding, a fellow German YouTuber that also makes like coding videos. His thumbnails, dude, his thumbnails, they slap. I think he's one of the like coolest YouTubers out there. Because yeah, he uploads very short videos, but they get straight to the point, and I think that's a very, very good way of making content. Of course, he also publishes his 12-hour courses, and this is not the only one. I think he has some here also 12 hours. Like funny that they're exactly 12 hours. Yeah, he publishes these, but most of them are just like let's say 5 to 20 minutes explainers, not longer than that. But here he made a video, time for a change, and this is because I think he also talked about like fatigue of not uploading and not doing stuff anymore. And I mean, okay, well, he published his last video 2 months ago, but he is also busy at Upstash, so I mean, this is kind of understandable. But this is just a point I want to make. Like there will be sometimes phases where you don't upload that often. And what you do in these phases is just chill out, relax, think about new ideas. And if you're ready again, then just go ahead and publish stuff. For me, it was because I didn't code, so I didn't have anything to talk about, but also partially because there weren't like many technologies out there that I could really talk about. Like there wasn't any developer news in this phase, and then like Svelte 5 came out, Lucia deprecated, and I instantly made videos about that again. So kind of makes sense, of course, if you view it like that. So let's go back to your analytics, and yeah, as you can see, we have many views in the last 28 days. And the impressions as well. So I want to also quickly explain what these metrics mean. So we got impressions, and we got views, and we got the click-through rate, which I'm going to cover just in a second. So what the impressions are how many times your videos are getting recommended on the homepage or on the search page. Like just how many people are seeing your videos, not watching your videos, but like seeing your videos recommended on, for example, the homepage or the search page, like I said. And then the views is actually, of course, how much they click. And the impressions click-through rate is something different. It is the impressions divided by the views. So if we have 120K, yeah, divided by 7.777K, we have 15%, and this... Yeah, well, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not mathing right now, but yeah, this is roughly how many people that are actually see your videos that also click on your videos. And then we have our average view duration, which is pretty much self-explanatory. It's just how long The people view your videos. Dude, I look different now and then. Okay, maybe it's because it was summer and I use a different camera and stuff. So yeah. You also have these analytics: intro, top moments, spikes, and dips. So intro means how long do people stay and then just go. Then top moments are like just random moments in the video where people are like, oh, that's cool, let's watch it again or something like that. Spikes are pretty similar, and dips are just where people just go away, I think, where the retention is gone. And I think that's actually pretty interesting. Browse features, so traffic from the homepage, home screen, description feed, and other browsing features, they make up over 50%. YouTube search as well. And suggested videos, what is the difference between... okay, so if I watch a video and then like... So that would be, for example, if I'd be watching this video, then this would be the recommendations, or not the recommendations, the suggested videos. And the homepage is pretty self-explanatory. External is probably from like external links or something like that. So yeah, makes pretty much sense. And my audience is also very interesting. We have many new viewers, but also a good number of returning viewers. And the new viewer, the returning viewers are mostly these who like directly strike after I upload a new video. And the new viewers are obviously the viewers that just get the video recommended a bit later. And yeah, channels that your audience watches. Okay. I think if I put this up, I can watch at these analytics. No, I can't. But yeah. This is like really weird formats that YouTube that your viewers watch on YouTube. Everybody watches videos, shorts, and live. I don't know. This is a metric that doesn't really matter to me like much. This is a very interesting metric for me because the majority of people who watch my videos are watching on a computer, but there are still some people who watch on mobile phone, and I gotta admit, I sometimes on the go watch on my mobile phone, like for example Theo or something like that. But the majority of YouTube videos I consume on my computer, on my laptop, of course, not on my desktop right here. This is a bit of a shame, so if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And okay, I got many male and just some female YouTubers, which is always interesting to see. But yeah, congrats to the female viewers who watch me. This is also very interesting. Most people who watch my videos are actually older than me because I belong to this thing. Because I'm 17. I belong in this range. And like nobody that's as old as me, or probably almost nobody that is as old as me, like watches my own or watches my content, which is very, very cool. And we have many of the people watch with no subtitles. Like this is also kind of interesting just to see from where people come. But I think the most just watch with no subtitles, and few of them watch with English. I don't know why. Yeah. Trends is, I think, a very useless page or a very weird page. I don't know. I don't really care about this page. So yeah. Money. What about earning? I am not eligible of earning or making money with YouTube currently. I have reached my 500 subscribers goal. I of course uploaded 3 videos, but I haven't reached my 3,000 watch hours yet. Unfortunately, I am positive that I will reach it in the next 1 or 2 months because I will be uploading, and the YouTube algorithm is very generous with people who upload regularly, so it will recommend your videos much more to many more people if you upload regularly. So yeah, do that and then you will reach your watch hours. Also, of course, keep the engagement up. Yeah. So, how do I actually produce my videos? The thumbnails I make with Affinity Photo. Photo. This one, it's in German. Yeah, we are Affinity Photo. Yeah, the photo editing software you've been dreaming of. Yeah, it's a Photoshop alternative, and I was a big Adobe fanboy back in the days, like a few years ago, because also my school, my old school, they provided Adobe for free, but my new school doesn't. So I had to switch. I think for a year I unfortunately stayed on the student plan, which I paid by myself with my own money, but it wasn't really feasible for me. That's why I switched to Affinity, and I have the whole suite. Use Photo for every video, use Designer sometimes, and Publisher I haven't used yet, but I think it could be useful like for future if I want to like publish some stuff, some little, yeah, something like that. For flyers or for articles, it's probably very interesting. Yeah, Affinity is cool, but I still miss Photoshop. Photoshop is just objectively better because it has more features and more experience, but I am a huge believer that Affinity will make it, and so yeah, I'm just saying with Affinity for now. For video editing, I use Final Cut Pro. I also used Premiere Pro, of course, before, and I had actually I had many presets for Premiere Pro. So it was a bit of a shame that I had to switch. But honestly, for the type of video that I'm making now, and it's not anymore German gaming videos that I did like 2 or 3 years ago, maybe more 3 or 4 years ago.
Oh.
It's more of these like simple talking videos like this one. Final Cut Pro just does the job. And currently I'm on the trial, but you can reset the trial as much as you want in the terminal. So for now I don't have any plans to purchase it. But one of the things that I maybe want to purchase is this Apple Pro bundle for students, which is 200 Swiss francs and I think also $200, where you just get Premiere, Logic, compressor, this and this thing, motion, compressor, and main stage. I'm mostly interested in FCP, Logic, and motion, because motion there I can finally make my own animations again, because now I'm doing most of my animations in DaVinci Resolve, like the subscribe animation that you see right now. Hopefully I am smart enough in my editing session to do that in here. Logic Pro, of course, for school stuff, to produce some fire beats, and FCP clearly to make videos. So yeah, these are the two softwares that I like power my workflow, and for recording I use OBS, of course. I've recently made a switch to a professional camera because I think up until like November last year I recorded all of my videos with my iPhone, and it was absolutely amazing. It was an amazing time because the iPhone quality is like very good. I can just plug in a Lightning USB-C cable into my computer and it just works perfectly as a webcam. There's really no complaints at all for this kind of setup. But first of all, my ring light broke. Okay, well, that's I think probably the main reason. My ring light broke because it was kind of a cheap ring light, so I had to use the DJI Osmo Action 3, which I also own. But like the field of view is a bit like wide. I think I've used it in here, for example. No, this is my iPhone still. Yeah, this is, for example, filmed with the Osmo Action, and like, dude, the quality is just so horrendous when compared to this one. Yeah, I also purchased this new camera recently, and it has been a life changer. I have the Canon R7. This one right here. It's 1,200 francs, which is also like equivalent to the dollar, like Amazon. For example, if we have Canon R7, I hate Amazon. Like, it's just a bad product in my opinion. Sorry. Yeah, this one. And dude, it's so confusing. Where is the fucking price? $9.99. Oh, that's actually kind of cheap. Yeah, it's not that expensive. It has a small sensor, but I won't go over like the specs of the camera now. There are many videos that go on the specs, and I'm not a camera channel. I am very interested in photography, but this video is not about photography, or not yet. What is the creator kit? No way! This is cool. Wow. Okay, that you get a battery is kind of cheesy because, yeah, you should get a battery, right? So otherwise, you can use the camera. But then you get a mic and like this plushy thing. Not plushy. This mic cover thing. That's really cool. Yeah. So if you're just starting out, just use your iPhone. The only reason that I stopped using my iPhone for filming videos was because the phone like holder or phone like um yeah, the thing that held my phone on my ring light, that broke because it was kind of cheap plastic. So unfortunately, and I wanted to buy a Canon R7 anyway. So yeah, this is me now recording on my Canon R7, but still using my old kit lens, which is it is what it is. But I will still have a new. I will probably soon have a new lens, which I'm super excited for. Yeah, I think that is everything that I want to say about yeah, with reflecting on 1 year of YouTube. I hope you liked this video. If so, go ahead and like. And if you belong to like the 90% of people that didn't already subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because I have some cool plans for 2025. And I honestly, I just want to share my journey, and it would be very cool of you if you join me on my journey. So huge thanks to everyone who is already subscribed. And if you're not already, please sub. And yeah, with these words, we're gonna see us in the next video.